A day after Super Typhoon Rolly badly hit Camarines Sur, the provincial government issued this resolution. Resolution number 235 declares the entire province of Camarines Sur under a state of calamity. The capital immediately dispatched road clearing teams. Camsur Governor Mix Villafuerte also dispatched search and rescue groups, medical and relief assistance teams.
Nakakuha tayo ng initial reports galing po sa ating teams situated and deployed all over the province, and ang magandang balita, so far so good. Ang ating pong team sa bayan ng Gainsa nag-report as of now 0 casualties.
Relief operations were divided by the Villafuertes to make sure affected residents are given assistance. Around 40,000 residents were evacuated due to the typhoon.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.